สวัสดีค่ะเพื่อนๆกลับมาพบกันอีกแล้วนะคะ Hi everyone, welcome to Thai Style by Nan Channel's Cooking with Nan again. Alright, today I have new recipe. New recipe is very good, very popular, very yummy. I'm sure you're gonna love it. So the one we're gonna cook today we call egg roast bowl. Egg roast bowl is really healthy foods. If you love healthy food or healthy person, you must love this one. It's very popular, it's very good, tasty. So alright, let's check out with our ingredients today. Alright, let's check with our ingredients today. I have 1 pack of the ground pork. You can use ground chicken or beef or turkey, whatever you like. And I have the 2 cups of the white cabbage, 2 cups of the purple cabbage. You can cut or chop them look like that. And 2 cups of the carrots. Alright, 2 cups. And 5 or 6 cloves of the minced garlic, half cup of the green onion, 1 cup of the white onion, chopped white onion, and 1/4 cup of the fresh ginger. You can finely chop it, fresh ginger. So you can use ginger paste or the ginger powder. It's up to you, but I prefer everything fresh today. And for the sauce, I have the sweetener. This one low carb sweetener. You can use any type of sweetener or the regular sugar. It's up to you. But I prefer this recipe today is really low carb today. Alright, so next, roasted sesame seed. And then thin soy sauce. Thin soy sauce really low carb. Pretty much 1%, really low. And then oyster sauce. And then apple cider vinegar. You can use rice vinegar or rice wine, just whatever you have at your home, but I prefer apple cider. And next, here you go, sesame oil. You can use any type of brand that you have at your home. And the salt, also black pepper, and last one, olive oil. We're gonna use olive oil today. Alright, that's all our ingredients today. If you're ready, let's get started. Turn on the stove at the high heat to heat our pan. Just touch of the oil. Let's start off with the ground garlic, fresh garlic. We must saute our garlic until we get the smell. It smells nice. And go ahead and add our pork. Whole package. It's just like a full portion. Then heat down to medium. So we can stir until the pork almost cooked through. See, the juice starts coming out. That's from the pork. That means the pork almost cooked through. So then we're gonna add ginger, onion, and we can start add the vegetables. gonna need 2 spatulas. If you have bigger pan, you can use bigger pan. This is much easier. Alright, this is good. Smells good. Turn the heat down to medium. Okay, and then you're gonna get some liquid from the vegetables also. So then you don't need to add the chicken broth because we have enough liquid from the vegetables and from the pork also. ก็คนไปเรื่อยๆนะคะนี่เป็นอาหารที่เฮลตี้มากเลยค่ะเฮลตี้อร่อยด้วยค่ะก็จะเริ่มปรุงแล้วนะคะ we gonna start to add the sauce in. So 1 tablespoon of the sweetener, oyster sauce, 3 tablespoons. So it would be easier you mixing the sauce in the bowl, and the thin soy sauce is 3 tablespoons, and this apple cider, 1 tablespoon, oil, sesame oil. Use 2 tablespoons, and the sauce maybe. Oh. Okay guys, just sprinkle. It's just like a half teaspoon, okay? Half teaspoon. And the sesame seeds, just like a 1 tablespoon. Love sesame seeds. Okay, so then mixing all the sauce, stir them together. Oh, smells nice. Apple cider vinegar and the sesame oil. So, smells so yummy. So one last thing, green onion. We're gonna leave over to sprinkle on the top, also garnishes. So after we mixing everything together already, that means it's done. All right. So that's it. Easy and fast. Turn the heat down to really low, and then we're gonna taste this. Yum. Got a big bites. Yum. So I'm gonna add more of a vinegar for 1 teaspoon, and more thin soy sauce. That means 4 tablespoons of thin soy sauce, and like really concentrate. Oh, we forgot this black pepper. Sprinkle. Okay. small teaspoon of the sweetener. I like a little bit sweet, but that's fine. That's good because there's really low carb. Okay, guys. Now we're really done. For real. Okay. Last time I made it was the smaller portion. This time I make bigger portion. Okay, perfect. Alright, we're gonna put in our bowl and then we get it ready to eat. โอเคค่ะมาตักใส่โบว์แล้วก็ทานกันเลยนะคะ อันนี้กินได้4 คน Okay guys, this is for 4 portion. Enough for 4 people. But I think mostly it's gonna be all me. So some juice in it. Okay. I'm gonna sprinkle, garnish it. Meat oil or more. That's all. All right. Here we go. Egg roast bowl with pork. So yummy. Alright guys, let's try it. Okay ค่ะเพื่อนๆ Alright everyone, let's try. Time to try out. Smells so nice. Sesame oil, apple cider vinegar, so together, so good. I love it. Tasty. Tastes really tasty. No wonder why it's very popular and many people love it. It's really healthy food, healthy dish. If you love to eating healthy, or if you being diet, this one is really perfect for you. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to try it out. It's really good, it's really yummy and an easy recipe to make. And thank you so much for watching. I will see you guys next time. Don't forget, if you like this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, turn on notification to see what's coming next on my next video. And I will see you guys next time. Alright, thank you so much. Bye bye. ค่ะเพื่อนๆทุกคนอย่าลืมทำทานกันดูนะคะมันเป็นอาหารเป็นอาหารเพื่อสุขภาพมากๆค่ะถ้าใครที่รักสุขภาพลองทำทานกันดูนะคะง่ายสะดวกสบายรวดเร็วง่ายมากๆค่ะแล้วก็อร่อยด้วยค่ะอร่อยจริงๆค่ะยังไงก็วันนี้ก็ฝากไว้ด้วยนะคะอย่าลืมกดไลค์กด Subscribe แล้วก็กดแชร์ให้ด้วยนะคะอย่าลืมกดกระดิ่งด้วยนะคะเราจะได้เจอกันโอกาสหน้าค่ะยังไงวันนี้แนนก็ฝากด้วยนะคะเพื่อนๆสวัสดีค่ะบ๊ายบายนะคะ